welcome back to my channel. In today's look, I am inspired by the DC comic, the Joker. Recently dyeing my hair more on the green side has inspired me to do that kind of look. I will be focusing more on the Suicide Squad Joker. I see a lot of purples and greens. But yes, I mean they all have purples and greens, but I think that one really emphasizes that. It also has some golds. I'm still unsure if I'm going to have any golds yet, but I'm definitely going to focus on the purples and the greens. I also have a jacket from Jeffree Star, which is purple, and it's even more like in the Suicide version of the Joker, so I can't wait to use it. Today's palette, I'm going to use the Mini Controversy from Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson collab, and then the Jawbreaker. I also might use this ColourPop one called Left on Thread. It's this one right here, so I might use that as well. I'm still thinking about it. But the palette that I'm talking about, it's this one called Mini Controversy. It has beautiful green right here. It is so shimmery, it's so beautiful, but I'm going to be using these two colors. This one is called Controversy and Put It Back. So this one right here was Diet Root Beer was at the bottom, and then they had a different a color, like neutral color up here, but because everybody wanted this one, which if you see the series and you see them swatching this one, it's so beautiful, but they took it out. So with everybody demanding it, they put it back there and they named it Put It Back because we really wanted it. So I'm going to use Controversy and Put It Back as my main ones. I almost wanted to do this, but I feel like this is too dark and more on the red side. So these two from this palette. And also I'm going to use part of the Jawbreaker. There's more pastels, colors, bright summery colors, but I intend to use this one and this one as a transition color to the other ones. I wanted to use this one. It's called Bite Me, but I'm thinking about it. Might not, I don't know, I'm not sure yet, because I do want to use the Extreme Frost as well, and it's purple. But I'm gonna use what is it, Gumdrop and Sour and Gumdrop as my transition to the other two colors. I also want to use this one, which is an Extreme Frost from the Bloodlust collection, and it's called Choking on Ice. And it's very, so you see that it's white, but it has purple shimmer. When you actually put it on skin, you can see the purple and it's like crazy. So I already primed one eyelid. I haven't done this one, and as you can tell from the wonky part of the eyebrow, and this one's all right. So what is that? I'm gonna do this eyelid. I'm doing JS6, and it's this one. And for those who don't know, the white ones are actually I believe actual animal hair, and then the ones that are like pink or black like these, those are synthetic hair. I use Gumdrop, which is the light purple. Oh my god, I forgot. I always forget how pigmented Jeffree Star shadow is. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here. Next, I am going to grab JS5. It's a little bit thicker than the JS6, and I'm gonna get the color Sour and put it on this part of my eyelid. I'm gonna put some more of that Gumdrop and blend it with this, where they both meet in the middle, or at least what I think it's the middle of my eye. I'm gonna grab Controversy and I'm gonna put it here, and then I'll do this one right here. I don't think I'm gonna do a cut crease. I just want to see how this looks. I'm gonna grab JS12, which is something like this. I already put product on there. It's a little bit smaller, and I am going to blend Controversy with Gumdrop. Alright, and then I'm gonna do the green. Now, anytime I use a blank one to blend everything, I do use right here, and it's a quick color switcher. So the only reason why I will do that is so that I don't use another clean brush when I don't have to. I just blend, swirled it in here, like this, and then no color comes out. No color comes out, and then I use it again to blend if I need to blend like a different color, which in this instance I'm gonna end up using it to blend the green ones together. So I think I'm done with the purple. There is a little bit of fallout, but remember, these are pressed pigment, but it's not as bad of a fallout. You can just whip it off like that. Usually I would recommend, if something has too much of a fallout, to have either, well, I don't like to bake much with my face, so then most of what people do is put a big powder thing on underneath, and so then they do their eyeshadow. I don't do it that way, only because I don't like the results. I do have lines underneath my eyes, and when I tried baking, like a lot of people have done, it just emphasizes this part, and I don't like it, so that's why I don't do it. What I would do, if something has purple and a lot of fallout, I would do my eyes makeup first, and then I'll do my face, but it all depends on your preference. Like I said, I just don't like to put baking powder, or not baking powder, that sounds like the Arm & Hammer or whatever, Arm & something. That's not what I mean. What I meant is setting powder, use heavy set, and then a lot of girls, guys that do makeup, leave it there for a long time. I don't like to do that. That's just my preference. So if something has a lot of fallout, I'll do my eyes first, and then I'll do my face. So next, I'm gonna put the green one, put it back from the mini Controversy. I'm gonna try to do it with the brush first, and then if it's good, then I'll leave it. If not, I'll use my finger. So I decided that I want to do a dark color right here. I don't think I have a darker purple, so I am going to, oh wait, I do. I have Bloodlust. So it's this one right here, and I think what I'm gonna use, Dungeon, right here. Yeah, I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna darken this portion, but I'm only gonna use a tiny bit. JS13, which is a smaller one. Brown this one, like right here. And I'm just gonna use the tiniest bit because these are so strong. Now I'm gonna grab the Extreme Frost Choking on Ice. I will use JS11, which is something like this, and I am gonna use it, putting it right on top of here. You know what? I'm gonna use my finger. I did add a tad bit, but I concentrated mostly all over here, and then whatever I had left on my finger, which was still a lot, I just moved it here so this could be more shimmery. Oh my god, it's crazy because you barely swatch it, and then it's insane. So I'm gonna take the brush that I was gonna use this, I already wiped it off. I'm gonna take the left on thread and I'm gonna do it all here. All here. Look at how pretty that is, and I only did it once. I haven't even dipped on it. But what I will also do is I'm gonna take that Dungeness, the dark one, and I'm just gonna put it right here so it could look more blended and less, you know, choppy. Should I have done a gold? You know what? Let's try it. Let's do a gold. I'm gonna use another Super Shock shadow. One is called Let Me Pass, or Let Me Pass. It's this one. And the other one is called Sidekick, which is this one. This one's actually lighter. So I'm gonna use this one. Running out of brushes because I haven't washed them. I will use this one. This one's the e.l.f. Eye Duo. It's for eyebrow, but after this I gotta wash my brushes. Put some gold in here. Oh, that look. No, I just ruined it. Nope.
No. No. I take it back. Take it back. No, I gotta fix it. Oh my god, I gotta fix it.
Bad idea. So I'm gonna go to put it back, and I am gonna try to correct my mistake. That was poor choice. Leave it as that. That's all I'm gonna do. And then oh, I got this shimmery green. I think I'm gonna do that on the bottom lid. And then eyeliner, eyelashes, then the next eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I actually went really heavy on the Extreme Frost. I even put it on my lips. On my lips I used different combinations. First I started with Berries on Ice, which is part of the Bloodlust collection mini bundle, and Royalty. I used it in the middle, and then to kind of clean it up I did use Dominatrix lip liner again to make sure it's all nice and clean. And I'm like, you know what, I need more glitter. I love the glitter, and I just started packing it on. So this is the final look. This is the jacket I was telling you guys about. See, there's gold in it, but I didn't know where to place gold, and I just placed that Extreme Frost everywhere, on the eyelid, on my cheeks, packed it on heavy on the lips, and my TV is on right now because I'm filming this January 6th, and all hell broke loose. I'm still gonna do my second episode, but it is weird. I'll save my emotions for that episode. This one's just gonna be about my look. I'm a little speechless, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll see what I'm gonna do because everything I had planned for the episode has changed. But other than that, this is the final look. I added green eyeliner, which is this one. I don't remember what brand. Oh, LA Girl, which the first time I got LA Girl, that one like fell apart. This one was actually more sturdy, which is shocking because the other one just fell apart. It was whack. I couldn't even put it on because it just melted. But this one was actually good. I did continue to use this one that had some of the gumdrop, and just to soften in the edges from the upper and lower end, and a little bit of the sour. I didn't like dunk it. I used what I had on there just to soften the green as well. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. And I do have a lot to say about what's going on right now, but I'm gonna be talking about it on my vlog podcast wannabe section of it. So if you guys are interested in watching, that will come out later on. I do plan to put these out on Sundays. But yes, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.